Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm making Huiguorou. Huiguorou is a Japanese Chinese dish based on Chinese dish called Huiguorou. It is twice cooked pork. You know, Huiguorou is super popular here and you can have it in every izakaya restaurant, and many mothers cook it for dinner or something like that. The real Huiguorou, in Huiguorou Chinese version, they cook the pork twice, simmer it first and then pan fry it. But in Japan, in Huiguorou, we kind of skip the simmer step and just pan fry. So it should be called once cooked pork, or what else? 2-in-1 pork, not twice, I don't know. But anyway, Huiguorou is slightly different from Huiguorou Chinese real one. I have no idea that how we alter the pronunciation into Huiguorou from Huiguorou. Please Google it up if you're interested. Anyway, I'll show you the ingredients. The main ingredients for Huiguorou is only two. One is sliced pork and the other one is cut cabbage. Plus, most of us put the cut green bell pepper as well. And some of us also add the green onion. You know, it is strange, in real Huiguorou, in Chinese version, green onion and bell pepper are the main things. But in Japan, they turn to be optional. It is weird. And they don't use cabbage. And to make a Huiguorou mix, you need 3 tablespoons of miso paste, 2 tablespoons of sugar, sake 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, and you must have a little bit of doubanjiang, Chinese hot thing. And if you are huge Chinese food fan, and if you happen to have a tenmenjiang, which is sweet Chinese paste, go ahead and use this instead of miso and sugar. You need a bit of grated ginger and garlic as well. Okay, we got 5 steps to make Huiguorou. Step 1 is to cut the veggies into bite-sized pieces. I recommend you to make grated ginger and garlic at that time. Step 2 is to mix the Huiguorou mix. Step 3 is to pan fry the sliced pork. When it go nice and brown, put the grated ginger and garlic into the pan. Then go on to step 4. Step 4 is to put the veggies into the pan. The last step, step 5, is to put the Huiguorou mix into the pan. That's it. Really easy, isn't it? So why don't we go on to step 1? Why don't we go on to step 1? Step 1 is to cut the veggies into bite-sized pieces. Okay, cabbage is ready. I recommend you to put the cabbage into fresh water, like this. Let's go on to green bell pepper stuff. Yeah, 2 is okay. Push here with your thumb, go inside. Make it easier to remove the seeds inside. It's all up to you how big or small you cut it, but I like it big, so make it into 3 for each. So 6, no, multiply 2 is 12 pieces. Then you need to prepare the grated ginger and garlic. Yeah, grate the garlic like this. Very nice here. As I always tell you, use this spoon to remove the skin of the ginger. Yeah. So I believe I went through with the step 1. When we go to step 2. Well, let's go on to step 2. Step 2 is to make doubanjiang mix. Start with miso, 3 tablespoons. I believe it's 1.5. So another 1.5 will be 3. Yeah, it's another 1.5. Okay. Then you put some sugar, 2 tablespoons, I believe. Yeah, I believe this is 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sake. So this is 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Okay, mix it well. And lastly, add some doubanjiang, hot paste from China. Just a bit is enough. It's all up to you to make it how hot. Okay, now the mix is ready. So we went through step 2. When are we going to step 3? Step 3 is to pan fry the pork. You know, when the pan is heated, put some oil on it. Then put the sliced pork into the pan. Medium high heat. Okay, when it gets nice and brown, add the grated ginger and garlic as well. So when are we going to step 4? Okay, step 4 is to add the veggies. Start with green bell pepper, then add the cabbage as well. Right. You don't need to cook the veggies completely. But when it's half cooked and the cabbage gets soft like this, it's time to put the huiguorou on. It is going to be step 5. Right, when are we going to step 5? Step 5 is to put the huiguorou mix into the pan. Make it high heat, cook it quick. Okay, it's done. It's time to plate it. Okay, it's time to plate the huiguorou. Wow, it looks great. Flavor is awesome. Miso. Alright, the huiguorou, the Japanese version of twice cooked pork, is ready now. Wow! Alright, thanks for watching. You know, to make huiguorou isn't that difficult and it's super yummy. So why don't you try making it at your home? It is slightly different from real huiguorou back in China, but it's a Japanese Chinese dish and it's worth trying it. So take good care, and if you like this video, please put the thumbs up button and subscribe and leave some messages down below. Okay, have a nice day. Arigato. See you soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you. Arigato.